you're looking for a very tasty dessert made with apples that makes a beautiful presentation, I've got the perfect one for you today. It's called Apple Delight. I've started in a bowl with 1.25 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll add in 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1/2 cup of very cold butter bits. Now you can blend this with a pastry blender, but I like to get close to my food, so I'm going to blend it with my hands until it becomes very crumbly. Now I'm going to mix together 2 egg yolks, a couple of tablespoons of 1/2 and 1/2, and then a dash of vanilla, and then we'll pour that into the dough and mix it in completely. I've got a fully buttered glass baking dish and I'm pressing the dough into it. This is going to be a fairly thin dough, so don't worry about that. Then I cut up some Granny Smith apples, peeled them and cored them, and I preserved them in water with some lemon juice so that they wouldn't brown, and now I'll arrange them in 3 rows, staggering them as I go down each row. Now I'll make a streusel topping. In another bowl I've got some flour. I'll add some sugar and some cinnamon and some butter and mix that all together. I'll mix it till it's also crumbly, then I'll pour it, sprinkle it over the apples, then bake in a 325 oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until the apples are nicely glazed and it's golden brown and delicious. That's just gorgeous, and it's going to be delicious too, and I'll get you the recipe if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy. Flat Stanley and I invite you to tune in again. Thanks for watching the tastiest 2 minutes in television.